In the measurement phase of Six Sigma, we have talked about basic statistics. There we learned about mean, mode, median. We learned about the range and standard deviation. Then we talked about data collection plan, and then we talked about types of data, qualitative versus quantitative, continuous versus discrete. So this is the measurement phase where you are measuring the current performance of the process. Your measurement could be anything. Your measurement could be, let's say, the diameter of the bearing. Your measurement could be the waiting time. Your measurement could be the customer satisfaction. So your measurement could be anything. We understand that any process will have some variation. If we take this bearing, one of the bearing could be 52.00 millimeter. If I pick another bearing, that could be 51.90 millimeter. Another one which I pick might be slightly more, let's say 52.10. So there is always a variation whatever measurement you are taking. But this is the process variation. Here the variation is in the bearing size. Here the variation could be in the waiting time. For some patient this could be 5 minutes waiting, for some patient this could be 10 minutes waiting. So this is the process variation, the variation in the process itself. But the question arises, what about the measurement? So when I take the example of this bearing and I take the measurement of that, the measurement comes out to be 52.00 millimeters. Is that the correct measurement? The bearing difference is one thing, but the measurement variation is another thing. That's what we are talking here in measurement system analysis. Here we are looking at how we can control the variation in the measurement itself. So when we talk of measurement system analysis, let's understand what's measurement system. We know the measurement. Measurement is something which you are measuring. But what's measurement system? When we say measurement system consists of these three important parts. One is the operator who is taking this measurement. Second is the instrument which is being used for taking that measurement, and third is the procedure which is being followed. So these three things together constitute the measurement system.